Next method to solve a transportation problem is Vogel's approximation method, which is an important method. So what we do in this method is, for a for a row, we see the minimum and the next minimum values and take the difference of those two. So the minimum value is 2 and the next minimum is 4. So difference is 2 and we just write it in the bracket here. Again 1 and 5 are the minimum and next minimum. So we write 4 here. 2 and 3. So we write 1 here. 3 and 2, 1. Again do the same thing for columns. So 1 and 3. So 2 here. 3 and 5, 2. 2 and 3, 1. 2 and 2, 0. Now out of these values in the bracket, we choose the value which is maximum. So maximum is 4 here. So we will choose the second row because the value is corresponding to second row, and in the row we look for the value which is least. Least value is 1. So we assign the least of 50 and 30 to 1. So minimum of 50 and 30 is 30. So 30 minus 30 is 0. 50 minus 30 is 20. Its value has changed to 20, and the column or row which is becoming 0, we cancel it. So here the row is becoming 0, so we cancel whole of the row. Now do the same process excluding this thing. So difference again here is 2. We blank this thing. 1, 1. Here 3 and 4, 1. 3 and 6, 3. 3 and 2, 1. 2 and 2, 0. So maximum is 3 now. Out of these values, 3 is maximum. So we go for the second column and the minimum value is 3 here. So we assign the minimum of 30 and 40 to 3, which is 30. So 30. 30 minus 30, 0. 40 minus 30, 10. So we cancel the second column again. Now we will leave this column without any value, and again we will find the least and next least value from the values left. So 3 and 2, 1. This is left. 2, 1, 1, 1 and 0. Now the maximum value is 2. The minimum value is 2. So we assign 10. 10 minus 10, 0. 40 minus 10, 30. So this row is cancelled. I have solved all of the table and you can see the answer. Remember, when in a column when there is only one value is left, suppose ये तीनों cancel है और सिर्फ ये रह गया, तो we will assign 3. So I have solved the table. Next we find the initial basic feasible solution. We see where the circled values are lying. So x13 has 20, so x13 is equal to 20. x21 30, x21 30, x32 30, x32 30, x33 10, and so on. So this is the initial basic feasible solution, and to find the initial cost, we multiply the values above it. So 3 into 20 plus 1 into 30, 3 into 30 plus 2 into 10 plus 3 into 20, 5 into 10 plus 2 into 40. So this will give us the initial cost. So initial cost is coming out to be 390. So this was Vogel's approximation method.